Welcome back, everyone. At the moment there's a small little mess here, but there's also a lot of stuff going on at the moment. One of those things is that we have the SCLK, the Mercedes 320, SLK 320. A part of that process is cleaning and making it nice. So because of that, I ordered some products that we have here. And this is not just any products. They are like typical car washing products. It's shampoo, it's a degreaser, there's foam lens, foam, and we have two different kinds of degreasers here. One of them is a cold degreaser, which is oil-based degreaser. It removes asphalt and salt and stuff like that. And this one smells like blueberry as well. The other one is an alkaline, and this is a concentrate. From this little bottle, you get 25 liters from it. All these products comes from a Swedish brand called Gör det med RW. And the reason why I picked up this is basically because the guy who is behind this brand has a YouTube channel, and on that YouTube channel there's some pretty convincing videos of him using these products and applying the products, and the result is really good. You could follow him how he washes car, how he, well, doing car related content. So I thought it would be interesting to try them out. Just to be clear what we have here, it's two kinds of degreasers. When using this one, you should be a little bit aware of using it on plastic and stuff like that. The second one is this one, and this one is water-based, and you could spray you can mix this with water, and you could spray it on a wet surface. So this is kind of like a second step. This one is also very interesting because what this one does is that it dissolves rust particles that are coming up on your car, and it turns purple when it dissolves these particles. That is a very satisfying thing to see. You're spraying on your car and it turns purple, and it removes the dirt and the particles and stuff like that. This is also good for the rims as well. This one, I think this one could be used on a wet surface. It's not really telling. So when I'm gonna test, all these products are gonna be tried in real life. There's gonna be reviews of them. So I'm pretty sure this one can be used on a wet surface. The other two is the shampoos. There's two kinds of shampoo. One of them are specifically for the foam lens, which should be mixed with water. You have 25% foam and the rest water. Could be used as a quick wash or like just when you're doing your regular wash. What's interesting here is that this one can be mixed with this one. So if you have a really dirty car, you take some of this degreaser and you put it into the blend of this one, and you get an even better result. The other one is a little option, kind of, because this is a foam lens specific, while this is a general shampoo for cars. But apparently this one foams really well, and it says that you could use it in the foam lens. What I'm curious about is if it foams up just as much as the foam lens specific one. And while I was at it, I ordered an empty bottle as well, mostly because this one could be mixed. From this little bottle you will get 25 liters sorry to all your American listeners who don't use liters. I don't know how much it is. Well, I actually know. It's about, this one contains half a quart. And 25 liters is almost 25 quarts. A little bit more, but kind of. So there you go. And it's going to be very interesting to try these products out because at the moment my daily driver is quite dirty, and the last time I washed it didn't really get all the dirt off, so I still saw some dirt there. So the question is, can these products do the job? According to what I've seen, I'm pretty confident that these products can actually do the work. And we have another big brand in Sweden where you could get like car stuff, and that brand is called Biltema. It's similar to like AutoZone or like maybe not Walmart, but it's a big chain of stores that are the price is low, and it exists in most parts of Sweden and even some Scandinavian countries as well. So I thought it would be interesting to have those products as a comparison. So we're gonna set up a pretty cool test where we have like some products to compare against to see how good this product actually performs. Anyway, there's a lot of things going on our channel. There's a new car. There's gonna be some off-road because I just got the news just after I sold the Jimny that we can actually drive off-road again here in Sweden. I'm not sad about that because, well, I thought it was time to get rid of the Jimny and get something else. And in the long term, I think that I want a Wrangler. And that is kind of like something that, a kind of car that I always wanted to try and own. So I think it's going to be a Wrangler, but, well, we never know because, well, my heart changed pretty quick, and sometimes there's another possibility popping up and you kind of gonna go on it. There's another issue with the CLK, which is that my wife really like it, and I can see why, because it's a nice car to just drive and ride along with. There is some people said that well, previously at least, this is what they said: if you buy a BMW, you drive the car, while if you buy a Mercedes, you are riding in the car. So big difference. However, I think the Mercedes that I got, it actually drives pretty good. I think I'm gonna do like a driving video as well, because that's cool to see when you're just driving on the road. It's very relaxing kind of to just like hear the car. Not that you really hear that much of the CLK. Anyway, click here to subscribe, click that bell icon to get notifications every time I release a new video, which it does once a week at least. I try to do it more. And click here